Hello, poultry farmer. How many times have you tried raising chickens and chicks, but didn't achieve the results you hoped for?
Have you lost birds to disease? Made mistakes because of a lack of experience? Have you ever thought about giving up?
You're not alone. Thousands of people share the same dream, raising healthy chickens, producing their own food, and earning extra income from home.
That's why Riquezas.Terra created a complete, practical, and easy-to-follow course, designed for both beginners and experienced poultry keepers who want better results.
You'll learn, step by step, how to raise chickens the right way, avoid the most common mistakes, and greatly increase your chances of success.
Enroll today, choose your language, make a quick and secure payment, and get instant access to the course.
Start today and turn your dream into reality.
Riquezas.Terra, from Brazil to the world, training successful poultry farmers.